How to remove tags from image in Canva. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the two methods that you can use as per your requirement. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. I'm going to open the Canva first. Okay guys, so here I am on my Canva. So first we need to upload our image. So just come to the home, just click on home, then this page will be open. Now we need to upload that image. Just go to the upload file. Here you can in your device we need to select that image file. So I'm going to my location. So I have this image, so we need to just select it and open it. So it will be open in Canva only. Now we need to go in edit image. Okay, and here we need to you can use this image in design, or you can simply edit image from here. So I just go to the use in design. So it is best way to edit any image because we got lots of option here. Okay, so the image has been open in at front of us, and now what you need to just select the image. I have only one image, that's why I just crop it. Okay, just select the image. Now we need to go in edit, and this option will be come up. Now here you can see under the Magic Studio you can see lots of options. So we can use two option from here. First is magic grab tags, and the second is the magic erase. Okay, so you can use magic erase. If it is work, then okay, or otherwise you can use the another option. So click on brush, select the size of brush as depend on your text. Now select the text like this. This text will be removed. You can click on erase. It will start processing and erasing will be done. Okay, okay, this has been removed. So let me try on this text, then I will show you the another option. Okay, erase. It is erase. Here what happened, we have the same background on back of the tag, so that's why it is erased perfectly. But if in your case, if your tags background is not same, it's maybe image or anything else, then it's this option will be won't work properly. So I suggest you use second option. So I will show you. Let me do undo the second option, which is grab text. Okay, this one. So just select the image and click the grab text, then it will be start process, and it will be extract the images, extract the text from your images. So you can see the text has been, you need to select all text, or you can select by clicking, just double click on. Okay, you need to select all text and just click on grab, so it will be start processing. Then text has been grabbed. Just let me zoom in, zoom out, zoom in. Now you need to just select the text like this, and you can delete from here. Okay, so this is also very helpful. You can use it for if you have images like multiple backgrounds or image. Okay, or this text in this option, this text unable to delete because it is not selected here. So you can use another option which is we showed first, which is magic erase. Just select the text and just erase it. Okay, so start erasing. Okay, so that is how you can erase or remove the text from image in Canva. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.